That's a very good question. To have some very good technicians. Not being biased, but I think the best technician here at E.C.D has to be Glenn. Glenn has a broad set of skills from wiring, mechanical knowledge, engines, fab up, all that stuff. He has the whole package. So
I would say our design phase, I would say we don't have a template. Everything we do is unique, and it's custom to exactly what our client wants. A lot of people out there have kind of this option, or this option, where ours is more of a blank canvas. Also, the GM drivetrains, the Puma Dash, innovations that we've made that others can't really do. Our warranty sets us apart as well. Being here in the US, using the drivetrain setup that we do, we've got a 2-year, 50,000 mile warranty on the engine, the transmission. And then our warranty is very thorough. Glenn, Glenn is the head of warranty here at E.C.D. We can really look after people and their vehicles in a way that others can't. So I think that's a big thing that sets us apart.
What's your favorite build we've ever done?
Used to be JJ, now I believe it's Eric.
Eric, Project Viking?
Yeah, it caught the attention more, it got that wow factor. It is kind of crazy looking, everybody on the street is going to be, whoa, that thing is amazing. So, Project Viking.
Probably be Eric.
Eric?
Yep.
Project Viking?
Yep.
Why?
Just due to its size, it kind of brings out the inner kid in people. Got, big wheels, big truck, so it looks cool.
You gonna show my face?
Am I going to show your face?
Can you blur my face? Right, you're gonna ask me the question. The essence of a Defender is it's a farm vehicle. In England, they're used to carrying pigs and sheep and donkeys and poop. So they're farm vehicles, everyday work vehicles. It's just a normal truck.
I feel like the best tech that we have here is probably Jordan, just because every time I go to him, he always has something to say, whether it's like smart aleck or whether it's helpful. But in the same sense, he's always willing to give me his opinion. He's always willing to share his experience with me, and most of the time it's right, and it's always helped me out, and he's helped me out with numerous things around here that I've picked up that have made my job much, much easier.
We haven't. I mean, there's nothing to stop us, but it doesn't really make sense to take a car out of Europe, do the work here, ship it back to Europe. So at the moment, no, we haven't, but it's not something we can't do.
The funniest moment I've experienced at the shop, watching Doug spider leg up the rock wall when we had the rock crawl wall here and surprised the hell out of us, and then made it down safely. That was pretty cool.
Because it's a lot more fun that way. Why would we want to repeat anything twice? Our product is all about adding innovation, taking a client brief, taking somebody's vision and dream and turning it into a vehicle reality for them. So each one is bespoke to each client, and that makes our job a lot more interesting.